Metallica, powerhouse touring band. One of their legacies is their signature no-repeat weekends. They play two completely different set lists over two nights in the same city, and the Canes hope it's a sign because they cannot have that first show again. Meanwhile, Montreal's the touring powerhouse. 7-2 on the road. Come see them in the round before they depart. You disappear. Yes, the Wolf of Wall Street and all that. The Montreal, there's not a bandwagon big enough. Welcome to our signature night. It's Hockey Night in Canada on a Saturday with Luke and Colby and Jennifer this evening. But first up, down to David Amber and Elliot Friedman. Gentlemen.
All right, Ron, the building's electric as it was in game one, and we're, one game into this series, Elliot, and the pressure pendulum has already swung. The pressure, squarely on Carolina, trying to do something they haven't done all year, and that's beat Montreal 0-4 versus the Habs this year. Kind of crazy.
Rod Brindamore had a film session yesterday. We asked the players, what did he focus on? And they said the number one thing was decision-making. There were all these questions, all these comments. A lot of us wondered, were the Hurricanes too rusty from their layoff? That's not what Brindamore thought. He thought they were too wired. He thought they were too excited. He felt that contributed to poor decision-making, and he showed them examples of it. We talked in the pregame, this panel did, about the breakaways. You know you're going to give some of them up if you're Carolina, Dave, but you can still make a lot better decisions on the ice.
And the pressure's a real thing, Ron. Listen, 85% of teams that go up 2-0 in a series, as we pointed out, go on to win the series. So a massive game here tonight for the Carolina Hurricanes.
Right, DA, just watching the other side of the playoffs, right? Vegas rolls into Denver and wins 2 in a row, so it's been a crazy start to the conference finals. Jennifer, what are you thinking about tonight?
Well, when you watch this Montreal Canadiens team, they just look ready for this moment. And you think about how well their D are playing. I mean, Goulie's making stretch passes through the pressure. You got Matheson making hard checks in the defensive zone, taking out Jarvis. Hudson's doing it all. And then up front, you just have your top line that's coming off the best game that they have played collectively in these playoffs. This team, they are ready to continue to play smart and fast hockey, Colby.
Well, for Carolina, look, they have to bounce back. They have to have a game. They have to put this to sleep about the talk. I look at Freddie Anderson. Yes, they watch video. What can we do better? Freddie's got to be a difference maker. I don't think he was great. There's some rust there as well. He's got to be good. 4 goals in the first period. It was 4-1. Freddie's got to be good here tonight.
Okay, I mean, Kevin's chair and Kevin's thing is all about how these series are like boxing matches. Carolina got punched in the mouth, or Carolina for the first time in a long time. How do they respond tonight with a counterpunch?
See Marty there?
He's ready.
Yeah.
He's
Oh, my
ready.
God. The Wolf. Okay, so listen, as Jeff Gorton said, they write great endings, the Montreal Canadiens. You got to stick around. They've got 31 now comeback victories. And the other night, 4 goals inside 12 minutes. So they're at home right away from home, right? Chad LaRose, Eric Cole at the siren, and then Kyle Bukauskas. Game 2. Enjoy.
Please welcome to the ice for the start of Game 2, your Carolina Hurricanes. And now the starting lineup for the Carolina Hurricanes.
Down the road, they're getting ready for the Coca-Cola 600 in Montreal. It will be their annual Grand Prix on the F1 calendar tomorrow. The Canadiens were quick out of the blocks in Game 1. Philippe Deneau was pedal to the metal on his breakaway to give them a lead they did not relinquish. He has described the organization as 2 different worlds from what he left in 2021 to what he was traded back to in December. What hasn't changed is his value come playoff time. He continues to be an important role, and now for Deneau, worthy of the wolf hat the other night. He has said of the CH logo, it is in my DNA. A rope has been part of the Hurricanes' DNA this season, handed out after each win. Everyone's got to grab hold of it, as Rod Brindamore said, but they've been waiting 14 days to hand it out again. C5 is also part of their DNA, which stands for championship, culture, care, consistent, and compete. That's what both these teams are chasing. A Category 5 level atmosphere in the building tonight for Game 2 of the Eastern Conference Final. Do you weather the storm, or can you create your own?
Presenting tonight's colors is the Chapel Hill Police Department Honor Guard. Now at this time, please rise if you are able. Kindly remove your caps and join us as we honor both nations represented tonight with the singing of O Canada, followed by the Star-Spangled Banner. Performed this evening by Adam Lee Decker.
O Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all of us command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true North strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God, keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rockets are wrecking, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
For the third straight series, the Canadiens have taken away home ice advantage from their opponent early. Tonight, they look for their first three-game win streak of the playoffs, while the Hurricanes trying to get even. Game 3 of the Eastern Conference Final from Raleigh. Jakub Dobiš has won 4 straight on the road after stopping 26 and 28 Thursday night in the opener. While at the other end, Frederik Andersen had an 8-game playoff win streak snap, giving up as many goals as he allowed in each of the first 2 rounds. Jacob Slavin, a season worst -4 game 1. How do he and the Kings rebound tonight? And in the starting lineup for Montreal, rookie Ivan Demidov. He's certainly feeling it. A breakaway goal in the opener and goals in 3 of his last 4. Do we get a first period like Thursday night?
Well, it's hard to believe. So much scoring early on, and you can expect the Carolina Hurricanes humbled in game 1, shocked at the speed and the game plan of Montreal. This should be one heck of an evening.